welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be covering Dead Leaves in the Dirty Ground by Jack White and the White Stripes. This is going to be in standard tuning. So I'm playing it with the Gibson Les Paul, the Vox AC30. I'm using my Jekyll and Hyde for a little bit of distortion, and then the rest of the song is going to be just on the clean channel on the Vox AC30. So the chords in this song are just an A. We're going to have a G. We're going to have a C. So if you look at those chords, I'm just barring on the 2nd fret on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string for the A. The G I'm playing like this, just the middle finger on the 3rd fret, and then of the low E, and then pinky and ring finger on the 3rd fret of the high E and B strings. C is just down here, 3rd fret, ring finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, middle finger on the D string, open on the G string, and index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Let's see, D down here, you have your 2nd fret for your middle and your index finger on the high E and the G string, and your ring finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the B string. Like I said, that power chord F, 1st fret with that index finger, middle finger, ring finger and pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th and 4th string. Power chord for the G, just move it up, 2 frets. I think I covered all of the chords right there. So we're gonna get right into it. It starts off with an A, so. Play along with the song. He's just kind of strumming right into it. He'll do that 3 times and he comes back to that G right there. So that's the A right there. 3rd fret on the low E, G. F sharp, G flat, 2nd fret right there. F, A. So he's playing like 5, 4, 3, 2, and then they'll kind of repeat it with. So that is the distortion part in the beginning. Find any type of fuzz you want. I'm just using some kind of pretty gritty distortion right here. The next section of the song is the melodic portion. There's no singing, so he's melodically picking that A, starting from the 5th string. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2. Pull off on that 3rd fret on the D string. G string again. This part's a little tricky. It's a little advanced. So you're hammering on open 3, open 2. So open 3 on the low E string, open 2 on the A string, open on the D, G string. Takes that kind of same position, the middle finger on the A string and the index finger is in the 2nd fret of the D string. So 3rd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D. 5, 4, 3. Slides up to the 5th fret, 5th and 4th fret. And kind of just does that pull off and restarts the riff on that G right there. So he'll play that twice, and then he's really softly playing when he sings. So he's probably not using a pick. He might put the pick down and A, G, C, D, A, and then he's pulling off on that third fret of the B string, hitting that G on the low E string, and then I'll start that riff again. A, G, C, D, A, and after he plays it twice, he goes F, F, G, A. So let's do that again. G, C, D, A, G, C, D, A, F, G, A. So if this ever seems too fast for you, just slow it down in the YouTube settings. So now we're moving into like a heavy distortion part in between the melodies and the singing, and he's just doing the A, G, C, D, A. And he'll do that twice, and he's just kind of ripping on it, all downstrokes. Then he goes back into that singing section, and he plays it, I believe, 4 times. Plays that, it's right back into that heavy section. And this is kind of like a bridge, and all he's doing is going back between a D and an A. So he'll play that D downstrokes 8 times. He'll play that A, and then right in the middle, like after 4 strokes, back to that D 8 times. G. So again, that D section is 8 times. Right back into that singing section, and he'll play that once where he's just doing the A, G, C, D, A. And then he ends on the melodic section. He plays that twice. Strums that A and slows it all down at the end. So thanks for coming back to the channel. I love the White Stripes. I'm probably going to do so much more of their songs. They're bluesy, rocky, they're just fun to play. So I hope everything sounded good for you. If you have any questions or need me to break down anything for you, don't hesitate to comment down in the comments section, and share the videos with your friends, and like and subscribe. So we'll see you next time.